Welcome back to the What is SEO? SEO for Beginners series. In the last video, we went over SEO factor number 10, optimize for voice search. We talked about how this is going to be more important than ever moving forward and how you can get started to get your site ready for voice searches. In this video, we are wrapping it all up and talking long game, playing the long game. SEO is a long game that you can't win overnight. This is going to take a little bit of time to create amazing content that is optimized for search intent and for user experience. And getting backlinks to your site can take consistent and concerted efforts, but the effort is well worth it. SEO is definitely one of the most effective ways for you to get consistent free traffic, organic traffic to your website. We talked about a number of different SEO techniques you can begin implementing right away on your website. You can optimize for search intent, get backlinks, improve page speed, create a great user experience, create content that's fresh, accurate, and thorough, build authority in your website, ensure your site is both secure and mobile friendly, use structured data, and optimize for voice search. Essentially, SEO isn't that complicated. Your goal is to provide searchers with what they want, authoritative, trustworthy content that is relative to what they're looking for. And you want to give it to them on a website that is secure, mobile friendly, fast, and easy to digest. When you start focusing on giving people what they want in the best possible format, things like getting backlinks become much easier. So start playing the long SEO game. You may not see an immediate change, but if you keep at it, I know that you are going to see results. If you want to know more about how SEO fits into all of your digital marketing efforts, join the Smart Arsenal at smartarsenal.com.